Hello folks, it's Anthony with Honda Snowblower Enthusiast on YouTube and Facebook. I've got a 724 that does not drive. So what I do, I check the simple things first. See, the release engaged is engaged. I check the hydrostatic fluid, it's fine. Let me check the belt. The belt is fine. The pins are okay on both drive wheels. Now I'm going to check the hydrostatic transmission. Obviously, you can see that's moving. You know, install a grease zerk in the final drive gearbox and pump in new grease every fall. The theory is that it will prolong the life of the gearbox, less wear and tear in the gearbox. Because I've opened up many of these, and a lot of times there's water in there and a lot of dried up grease. So fresh grease in there will keep everything moving smoothly. But, you know, eventually wear and tear is going to get the better out of a, you know, a 30-year-old machine or older. So I just wanted to show you, you know, the progression I go through. I go from the simplest first. A lot of times people will message me or go on the Facebook group, Honda Snowblower Enthusiast. They'll be in a panic and they'll say, hey Anthony, my machine's not driving. So we always go with the simple things first. You want to make sure this lever is in the engaged position, not the release position. A lot of times you'll put it in the release position because you want to move it around. The machine is, you know, you can freewheel it in the released, and then a lot of owners forget it's in that position, and that's the simplest thing. You make sure your drive handle's not loosey-goosey. If it is, then you've got a broken cable probably. Then you check your drive belt. Take the belt cover off, which is easy. Make sure your drive belt's not broken, which is usually the second most common reason why you're not driving. And then after that, you've already checked the cable. You've got tension. You can see that the idler wheel is engaging the belt here. So you've got tension to the belt. And then in a very, very rare case, you could break both of these pins. I've seen it happen a couple times. It's rare. These are shear pins. If you hit something really, really hard, it's possible that you could break both pins at the same time. So the axle would be turning, but there's no pin in there. So that'd be a nice thing, you know, if it's not the other stuff, just to replace the $3 pins. And then if you've checked all that out, you checked your hydrostatic fluid, there's no leak. The seal on the hydrostatic transmission is not pushed out and the oil didn't all leak out, which is not too hard of a repair. We've got a video on that. I'll put a link to that in the description and in the end of the video. And then the last thing you check is your hydrostatic transmission drive shaft that goes into the final drive gearbox on the right here. If that's turning like I showed you and your tracks are not turning, and then you got something busted in there like I said, and unfortunately it's an expensive repair. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if any of our videos have helped you. We're also on Facebook Reels, Facebook group Honda Snowblower Enthusiast. So we'll see you next time, folks. Thank you for watching very much.